Hello friend and welcome to today's review video. My name is Maverick and today we're going to be talking about this platform that promised to give you $750 cash just by entering your email. Okay, so the name of this platform is getcash22.com. But the moment you even click on that and go straight to their platform, you're going to be redirected to another website that says Reward Giant USA. So Reward Giant USA is where you'll be redirected to, and here is where I'm redirected to, and I'm very certain that that's where you're redirected to also. So something's kind of fishy out there. That's the first thing that you need to know. So it's not real, all right. This is not something real because I decided to also check out some other platforms, okay, to other groups that I'm involved in, and to know the legitimacy of this platform. And several other people have been castigating it concerning not being real, and also the fact that you even see a page just like this that tells you to input your email address and you're gonna get $750 cash. It's kind of fishy. They just promise you to input your email and you're gonna get $750 for nothing without even doing anything or filling any survey or maybe doing any task online. That is not legitimate. So one thing you need to know is that these guys will just collect your information and sell. There are most of the guys that collect email address and just sell the email address to other spammers online. All right, so what they actually promise is that they're gonna send the $750 to your Cash App account, all right, which is not real. All right, so that's one thing you have to know. And if you check out Quora, you can see right here on Quora that says this person is getcash22.com, a scam or legit website. So you can see, okay, I think this person does not answer, but let's scroll down a little. You're gonna see, you can see, yes, of course, it's a scam. Most of the sites are just scam, and that's so you can see it's not legit. All right, they are not legitimate website that you can want to go with. All right, so I wouldn't suggest you go for this. Okay, and if you're kind of looking for a way to make money online, yeah, if you see this account now that says it's a legit website and you can get, if you click on the account, they are not real accounts. All right, they are not real accounts because by the time you click on it, you realize that the account only answered this question and they are not doing anything. Like, it's just created to scam people on Quora. All right, so you have to be careful of the answers that you go for. All right, so if you click on the account, you see. All right, so now checking out the website, you can see Sweet TWXI or whatever. I can see what is being written there. And now let's check it out. Let's see all the answer. You can see all the answer this account is answering is about Cash App 22. You can see App Cash 23, so they are still the same. So I think it's the same. Maybe it's the owner of the Get Cash 22 that also has this account. You can see is the Cash App. So I think they are the one asking the question on Quora and also answering it. So it's just a technique to get people to join. All right, you can see why all these account answers are all about this Cash App, which is kind of fishy because if it's a real account, it's not possible that all the answers on Quora will be just specifically to this type of stuff. All right, then we have several, like the person will answer questions from several different type of topics, okay, not just specifically on a topic like this. So they try as much as possible to dominate Quora, all right, so that people will be able to join. So it's just a trick to get people to sign up for their program. So you just have to be suspicious of accounts just like this on Quora. So whenever you see maybe an account tell you that okay, something is real, you should click on the account on Quora or whatever group or whatever you are, just click on the account and see if the account is legit or not. All right, check them out and see if they're legitimate. So this is my best review concerning this. However, if you're looking for a way to make money online, maybe you're disappointed about this, that it's not in biggie, okay, you can just check the screen and you're gonna see a link there. You can start a legitimate business instead of you doing all this click something and get paid. The thing is that most of those sites, they are not really that legitimate, okay, and those that are legitimate are too congested. So you should try and find a business online that you can rely on. So I suggest affiliate marketing because it doesn't require huge cost. You can easily get started, and if you want to learn more about it, now affiliate marketing is easy. You can use AI, artificial intelligence, to automate your stuff and make life easy for you. So you can easily just work 4 hours in a week, or if you like, you can make it 6 hours in a week, and you can automate your stuff and earn passive income. If you want to learn more about it, you can click the link in the video description. It's going to direct you to a free webinar that you can sign up for and join, and you can learn more about affiliate marketing from a reputable expert who is my mentor also, that taught me more about how to earn with affiliate marketing. I hope this video has been helpful. If it is, can you make sure that you hit the red subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit the bell notification so that you can be notified whenever I drop new tutorials. And I hope you see the screen. There's a link there. You can check out the link, and it's the same link in the video description. You can paste it in your browser and you can head straight to that link. And also give this video a thumbs up if it's helped you, so that YouTube can recommend this video to several other people. Thank you very much for your time. If you also have experience with these people, Get Cash 22, you can let us know in the comment box and tell us your experience and what you feel about them. However, make sure the legitimate experience, okay, don't fluff right here in the comment box. All right, enjoy the rest of the day. Peace and take care. Bye.